Secrets of the Codes of Time, Part 2, from the Book of Human. Surrendered trust is the permeability of oneness, the paradox of the one and the many, in full bioinformative exchange. In complete cellular communication is life force made available and accessible to all systemic chains of function. Transmembrane communication is the illustration of unity in diversity, of oneness and multiplicity, for the membrane is constructed by heads and tails, polarized inspiration in perpetual embrace, transparent transmitters of divine grace, crossing all divides by being harmonious in its diversity. In this observation can the biomechanics of integrated oneness be seen and acted out in embodiment. Through the shapes of proteins, the enablers of bonds, in which resides the linking bridge, such as sulfur, which gives integrity and longevity to shape and the purpose of function therein. The messengers of enzymes, the strings of genes, dance the molecules of surrendered plasticity, responsive to the intent which is the source of power, equipped with power from within that yields through fluidity. For in fluidity can power be measured. The cradle of collagen as the genetic library of bioinformants, the filaments of skin, hair, and nail, the evidence of protein present through symbiotic song, senses rooted in the inviolable yet fragile letters that speak in all directions. Beautiful is the membrane when permeable, for it is the glad celebration of news that yearns to be shared across regions of biospheric space. This is the thriving of the organism in unified fields. The firstborn brings the song of oneness, the satellite tree stars the song of diversity, bioinformation in integrative incorporation, becoming of one body. Then shall all children of all universes be as one body in omnipotent communication, resonant as a single cell humming in consummation, as embodiment's adoration in action, complete intimacy with self-wholeness, one cell, in omnipresent pluripotentiality, in perpetual fertility, in all diversity. Speak now the cellular joviality, joy, the key turner of the windows of the hours, unified in the force of the first hour, diversified in the voyage of multiplicity, stabilized in the depth of our living, animated in the width of our inclusion, shaped and renewed by the science of surrender, for the joining of the hours and the permeability of the cell is your testimony of all healing, and the formal spontaneity of all intelligent design made flesh. The science of surrender is life made possible by the source of one in all of itself. Minerals fortify the enhancement of divine form. Chief among these is the element of sulfur, worth its weight in gold as a gift to the bride of the bridge. It emits through her streaming tears and vitalizes her roots, to be inhaled as the pithic gases of self-sustenance in the miracle of form. The timeless cycle of self-contained energy production can be observed herein. Herein, the biosynthesis of surrender and the frequencies of freedom for cellular communication in permeable unified fields is the embodiment of source and resource in never-ending algorithmic divination.